Hi, today we're going to use NotebookLM to do quick compare analysis. I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM to do it in 3 steps. Number one is we're going to upload our files or research files. Number two, we're going to actually use some of the pre-built prompts to make it easy and fast. And number three is we're going to chat with our data or with our sources to go deeper into the analysis. So with that being said, let's get into it. For our analysis today, I'm actually going to use Gmail versus Outlook for business account. So let's go create a new notebook. For our sources, I'm actually going to upload 2 types of documents. Number one is my research notes. I actually have research notes both on Gmail and Microsoft, which has features, pricing, customer reviews, and a whole bunch of other details. And number two is we're actually going to connect it or point it to the website itself. So let's upload the files first. For our files, I'm actually just going to go to the 2 documents I just talked about. I'm going to add in Microsoft and Gmail research notes, and it should do that in a minute. While it's reading those files, I'm actually going to point it to the different websites. So here's Gmail information. I'm going to go in, put in the link. I'll add another one, and we'll add in Microsoft as well. There's Microsoft. And that should be it. The good thing about NotebookLM is that you can actually update these documents anytime you wish, or anytime you want to add more documents, you can. This large language model allows you to upload up to 50 documents. With step 2, let's use some of the pre-built prompts that make our life so much easier. So you hit Notebook Guide here, and you'll notice that as soon as you hit it, you'll get a quick summary. You'll get a quick summary of all the stuff that you've uploaded, of the research notes, as well as a quick scan of the website. Now, if you want to go deeper, you can actually create FAQs. You can create a study guide, table of contents, or a timeline, or briefing doc. For our purposes, since we're doing a comparator analysis, we're just going to focus on the briefing doc. It takes a few seconds to do it, but right now it's scanning all our sources and coming up with, I believe, strengths, weaknesses, key considerations, and key takeaways. Let's take a look at it, shall we? And here you go. It tells you the Gmail strength. It tells you Gmail weaknesses. It gives you Microsoft Outlook strengths and weaknesses, pricing comparison, and a conclusion of key takeaways. What I do like about NotebookLM is that it allows you to save this as a note so that you can always come back and refer to it. Or if you actually change the sources, or you add more sources, or you add things to the document, you can rerun this again. Now, step 3 is if you actually want to go deeper, the good thing about NotebookLM is that it provides you with suggestions of questions that you may want to ask. So this one is about compare features and pricing models, key strengths and weaknesses, which platform deliver better value. So let's do compare features and pricing. And I like these suggested questions because it allows you to think in different ways. So you might suggest ideas that you may not have thought about. And here you go. Here's a quick look at the features of Gmail versus Outlook. And what I also like about NotebookLM is that it actually gives you the sources. So if you click on one, it will tell you where it received that information from. So you know exactly where it's coming from. So that actually prevents some of the hallucination that plagues large language models. Now, if you actually want to go deeper still, it's like with any large language model, you can chat. So let's do a quick let's see. Let's do a quick user review. What are the users saying about Gmail? And can you put it in a table format? I like using table formats when I do compare and contrast because it actually makes it easier to read. So let's see what NotebookLM comes back with. And there you go. So it gives you a quick overview of positive feedback between Gmail, integration, interface, spam, storage, and so on, and then areas for improvement. So this is a great place to get started. Oh, if you actually want to have a little bit of fun, what I do like about NotebookLM, and this is actually what made the product go viral, is that you can actually create a quick podcast on your content. So if you hit generate, It takes a few minutes. I think it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to generate. So I'll add the audio link to the article so you can listen to it. But it's quite engaging and it's a nice way. It's a nice way to have a different medium for conveying your information. But there you have it. There's 3 simple steps plus 1 bonus step about how you can use NotebookLM to do competitive research. If you use NotebookLM, drop me a note. I would love to know how you guys are using it. Thanks. Bye for now.